Is the HDFC Life Guaranteed Wealth Plus plan the right choice to provide both financial security and investment returns to achieve your goals? In this review, we will explore the features, advantages, disadvantages, and returns of HDFC Life Guaranteed Wealth Plus plan utilizing the internal rate of return analysis. This video will help you better understand the plan and determine its suitability for your needs. Welcome to holisticinvestment.in. HDFC Life Guaranteed Wealth Plus plan is a non-linked, non-participating individual life insurance savings plan. The main features are pay once or for a limited term and enjoy life insurance coverage during the full policy term. Guaranteed benefits on survival in case of income variant has been opted. The choice to take guaranteed benefit as a lump sum at maturity or as a regular income and lump sum both. Next, we shall look at the benefits of HDFC Life Guaranteed Wealth Plus plan. First, death benefit. Sum assured on death is applicable on the death of life assured during the policy term and is defined as higher of X times the annualized premium for limited pay and 1.25 times the single premium for single pay, or 105% of total premiums paid up to the date of death. Next, maturity benefit variant 1 lump sum variant. Under this variant, the policyholder will receive a fixed percentage of either the single premium or the total annualized premium payable under the policy lump sum maturity at the end of the policy term. Variant 2 income variant. Under this variant, you receive a lump sum as a maturity at the end of the policy term, which is equal to 100% of total premiums paid during the policy term. Next, survival benefit variant 1 lump sum variant. No survival benefit is applicable under this variant. Variant 2 income variant. Guaranteed income is calculated as a fixed percentage of annualized premium and it is payable in arrear as per the payout frequency chosen by the policyholder. Next, we shall discuss the advantages and disadvantages of HDFC Life Guaranteed Wealth Plus plan. First, advantages. Policyholder can avail of loan under this policy. Policyholder have the flexibility to choose the mode for both premium payment and guaranteed income payout. Rider options are available to enhance your protection. Tax benefits are available for both the premium paid and maturity proceeds as per prevailing tax laws. Next, disadvantages. No alterations are allowed other than changes in the premium payment mode and guaranteed income payout mode. The life cover is reduced after the premium paying term, resulting in less coverage during the income payout period. No loyalty additions for staying invested. Next, the calculation part. HDFC Life Guaranteed Wealth Plus plan allows you to choose the cash flow that suits your needs, offering either lump sum variant or the income variant. However, simply examining the cash flow pattern is not enough to determine the plan's suitability. Let's delve into the internal rate of return calculation for HDFC Life Guaranteed Wealth Plus plan. Consider a 35-year-old male who opts to pay a single premium of Rs 10 lakhs for the lump sum variant of HDFC Life Guaranteed Wealth Plus plan with a policy term of 15 years. He receives a life insurance cover of 1.25 times the single premium amounting to Rs 12.5 lakhs at the policy's inception. In the lump sum variant, the final maturity benefit is provided at the end of the policy term. The guaranteed maturity benefit is 22.87 lakhs, resulting in an IRR of 5.67% as per the HDFC Life Guaranteed Wealth Plus plan maturity calculator. Although the returns are guaranteed, the rate of return is lower than that of a typical debt instrument. For those looking to park a lump sum, there are alternate investment options such as bank fixed deposit that offer guaranteed higher returns. Additionally, the life coverage provided under the HDFC Life Guaranteed Wealth Plus plan is minimal. The life cover and guaranteed benefits are the key features of HDFC Life Guaranteed Wealth Plus plan. However, neither aspect is compelling enough to make this plan a worthwhile investment. Overall, HDFC Life Guaranteed Wealth Plus plan is a traditional policy with mediocre returns. Next, comparison part. The returns offered by HDFC Life Guaranteed Wealth Plus plan are not sufficient to consider it a viable investment option. To determine the best way to utilize your savings, let's compare the returns of other investment option with those of HDFC Life Guaranteed Wealth Plus plan using the metrics from the previous illustration. For life coverage, a pure term life insurance policy with a sum assured of 12.5 lakhs cost a single premium of 54,300 for a 15-year policy term. In the previous illustration, the premium amount was 10 lakhs. By choosing a pure term life insurance policy, you save 9.45 lakhs which can be invested to achieve your future goals. In this scenario, the saved premium is invested in an ELSS fund. Risk averse investors can stick to debt instrument. The pre-tax final maturity value in ELSS ELSS fund would be 51.76 lakhs. After accounting for capital gains tax, the final maturity value is 47.63 lakhs. This substantial corpus can help you achieve your various goals. The IRR for the combination of pure term life insurance and ELSS investment is 10.97% post-tax return. This rate outpaces inflation, making it a favorable investment option. The substantial corpus and inflation-beating returns are missing in HDFC Life Guaranteed Wealth Plus plan. Here is our final verdict on HDFC Life Guaranteed Wealth Plus plan. This plan is designed as an insurance cum savings plan to provide financial security through death benefit or financial support via guaranteed survival or maturity benefit for achieving your financial goals. However, it falls short in both aspects. The return analysis clearly shows that even the lump sum variant yields relatively low returns. If you opt for income variant, the regular payouts will further reduce the returns. To achieve future goals, especially in an inflationary environment, your investment should generate a post-tax return higher than the inflation rate. Therefore, investing in HDFC Life Guaranteed Wealth Plus plan is not advisable. To secure your family, you need a pure term life insurance policy with an adequate sum assured, available at affordable premiums. To achieve your goals, invest in a diversified investment portfolio. Always assess your risk tolerance, time frame, and life goals before investing. For assistance in choosing the right investment or insurance product, consult a professional certified financial planner. Their expertise will help you create a tailor-made financial plan that considers all your requirements. A detailed review of HDFC Life Guaranteed Wealth Plus plan is available as a blog post on our website. The link is in the description.
Hope you like this video. If you have any questions related to this or any other investment option or related to your financial goal, don't hesitate to book a free appointment with our financial planners. The link to the free booking is given in the description box below. Also, will you be interested to attend any insightful investment webinar? Then feel free to register for the upcoming Enlightening Investment Webinar. It is completely free. The registration link for the upcoming webinar is also given in the description box. If you like this video, please give us thumbs up. Also, share it with your social circle. If you haven't subscribed our YouTube channel so far, please subscribe now.